Hi, I'm Dina Marais of dinamarais.com, and thank you for watching this short video where I introduce to you the VIP virtual workshop, 4 easy steps to planning your year, your business year of abundance and ease. But let me ask you first, are you the leader or the employee in your business? Because even if you are the owner of your business, you can still have the thinking styles and attitude of an employee. So what's the difference? As the leader in your business, you have a vision of how you would like to create your business of 2018. You have specific outcomes. You know how you're going to get there. You know what finances you need. You know what offerings you need. You know what's going to happen when. And you have all of that at a glance. And that gives you the means to stay back and look at what's happening in your business at a glance and make strategic decisions. You're also relaxed and you're very confident about your business. As an employee in your business, you are lost in the details and you struggle with overwhelm and anxiety because you have no idea what you're going to do next month, next week. So you are not creating your business, you are reacting to it. And it's interesting, create and react both have the same letters and yet total different energy around it. So the difference, the big difference here between the leader and the employee is, of course, the perspective. The global view versus the detail view. But in a business, you need both. And this thinking style is on a continuum. And the only way to expand that, because you can actually expand your range so that you have more balance between global and detail. And that you can easily, as a leader can, from that global, go into the detail. But if you are the employee, then you're more extreme on the detail and you will stay in the detail without knowing what the global view looks like. And the only way to expand, to have more balance in your global detail, what we call a meta program in NLP, is of course through experience. And this is gold for you as a leader in your business to develop this. And with this VIP workshop, you have both. With this workshop, you will create that big picture of your business that you plan for this year at a glance, so that you can make your strategic decisions. You will immediately move from overwhelm to being relaxed and confident about your business, because you know now that you have taken care of everything. But you also, in the same process, and through this workshop, through this experience, teach your brain to think globally. And to teach yourself to be able to step back. And as you will do this through the year, you will get more and more used to look at your business from that perspective. And to be at the edge of the problem and be able to see the solution. Because if you're in the details of the problem, you cannot see the solutions to solve your challenges. Okay, so then this workshop is really gold for you as a business leader for 2018. And you can do this workshop now. You have 3 options to do it. You can do it one-on-one with me as a 4.5-hour intensive, and that is $497. You can also do this in a group, also live with me, but in a group, and that happens on Thursday, the 11th of January, and that investment is $297, also 4.5 hours. And then you can do it yourself. You can get the audios, the trainings, the workbook, everything, and you can do everything yourself, and that is $97. The most important thing for you as a business leader and a business owner is to plan your business for 2018. So go and check out the details. The link is either below or above the video. And plan your business for 2018 and become the leader of your business that you know you are.